How to connect Owlet Dream Sock to Wi-Fi. So to connect this, you can plug in the base station and make sure it is powered on. Then you can download the Owlet Dream app or the Owlet app that is provided from your manual. So you can download that on your phone. Sign in or create an account, and then you can go ahead and get started. So you'll be asked if you have an Owlet device to set up, press on yes, and then choose from whichever device you can or would choose to set up. In our case, it's going to be the smart sock. So go ahead and press on get started, but at this case, you're just gonna go ahead and follow the exact step-by-step instructions in order to be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. So make sure you are choosing your home Wi-Fi network. Then you're gonna enter your Wi-Fi password and whatnot, but just follow these steps and you will be able to connect your Owlet Dream Sock to your Wi-Fi. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.